Hello. Let's draw 2D shapes. Black color. It's a dark black color. Let's start. Circle. Circle. Pie. Pie. Triangle. Triangle. Rhombus. Rhombus. Cross. Cross. Rectangle. Rectangle. Let's learn some colors. Forest green color, red color, yellow color, yellow green color, blue color, orange color, light green color. Now fill color in shapes. Green gray color, green gray color, black color, black color, forest green color, forest green color, carmine color, carmine color, rose red color, rose red color, pastel blue color, pastel blue color. Now learn 2D shapes. Circle, pie, triangle, rhombus, cross, rectangle. Like, share, subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.